this is Miss Delina, and you clicked on this video to quiz your knowledge on giraffes. Wait, who put that there? Oh, well, look how cute it is. And it's picking its nose. Wait. No. Time to focus. You came here for a fun music quiz, so let's go. I'm going to show you a treble clef note that you have to guess what it is before the timer runs out. For this quiz, the note options are middle C, D, E, F, and G, also known as the C5 finger position in the treble clef. Are you ready? No, not for the giraffe quiz. The music quiz, you silly goof. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
G. D. C. E. D. F. C. E. G. D. E. D.
Hey, musician, how did you do? Well, now you got to try the second level. Come on, let's go. And don't forget to subscribe for more challenges.